A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Namrata, your Bagdara Farms consultant. I'm live with all of you today, and the topic for today's live session is gout, also known as gouty arthritis. So, today I'll be telling you in brief about this problem, which many of you who must be going through it know about it. Along with it, we'll tell you about an organic supplement here at Bagdara Farms by the name of Kamya. Now, Kamya is an organic supplement which is made out of curcumin. Curcumin is a phytochemical found in turmeric, right? So, curcumin has medicinal and pharmacological, abilities and properties that can help with prevention and treatment of various joint-related problems. And today, like we're talking about gout, which is also known as gouty arthritis. So, Kamya is this organic supplement here at Bagdara Farms, which we recommend for prevention and treatment of this problem. So this can be taken as you can take only Kamya therapy to give protection to yourself or to treat your problem of gout or gouty arthritis, or you can also take it along with your ongoing treatment or medication. Right? Let me start by telling you in brief about what is gout or gouty arthritis. It is a kind of an inflammation. Gout is basically an inflammatory arthritis that is accompanied, with severe pain, redness, stiffness, and tenderness in the joints. Now, this happens due to excessive, uric acid in the body, like mostly in the big toe or other joints. So, what happens? This uric acid, the uric acid which is there, the excess, it crystallizes and gets deposited in the joints. So, when this happens, right, this causes pain, this causes tenderness, this causes redness, and all of these problems lead to gout, like I said, gouty arthritis. Now, gout is caused due to a condition called hyperuricemia. Now, hyperuricemia basically means hyper means being, overactive, or you can say too much of uric acid in the body, right? So, this is known as hyperuricemia. Now, gout is treatable with correct therapy, and most importantly, like I always say, it is very important to make sure that you are having a wholesome diet. You are living a lifestyle which has a balance of both healthy eating as well as exercising, drinking lots of water, and sleeping well. So your lifestyle changes can itself make a huge impact on your health and in treatment of gout, which we are talking about today. Now, what causes gout? The human body makes uric acid, right, during the breakdown of chemicals called purines. Now, purines are found basically in certain foods and drinks that we take. So, this normal byproduct, goes through the kidneys and exits the body when you pee. When you urinate, it gets out of your system. Now, sometimes the body produces too much of this uric acid, right? When too much of this uric acid is produced, or the kidneys can't do the job of handling it. So, what happens when the body has high levels of uric acid, or you say hyperuricemia? Uric acid crystallizes, the crystals can concentrate in the joints. The sharp needle like crystal, these crystallization which takes place, they are like sharp needle like crystal, and these cause gout, right? However, many people having a higher uric acid may not get gout. So it is not necessary that somebody who has high uric acid will get gout, but you are more at risk of getting it if you have high uric acid in your system. Now, who is affected by gout? See, first of all, like I always say, problems can affect everyone. It can affect everyone, people of all age groups, gender. But there are few people who are more affected by this problem. For example, occurs earlier as in men as compared to in women, as they say that men have high levels of uric acid most of their lives, right? In women, they say that usually this problem starts to happen after menopause. So after menopause, a woman might, you know, can get develop symptoms of gout. Now, diet high in animal proteins. If somebody is having a diet which is high in animal proteins, that person is also, can get affected by gout. High intake of alcohol, obesity, diabetes, congestive heart failure, family history if somebody has high BP or hypertension, or can be a kidney disease. So these are the things who are people who are affected. These are the people who are affected by gout. Now, what are the symptoms of gout? Symptoms of gout, if when a flare up happens, is when you would experience most of the symptoms. And these symptoms can last for a week or two. Now, symptoms can be pain, redness, stiffness, swelling, tenderness, and warmth. Warmth means as if, feeling that your joint is on fire. That kind of warmth is felt when, is one of the symptoms of gout. Now, how is Gout treated, the gout is usually treated, with anti inflammatory drugs or painkillers, right? But in the longer run, sometimes these can have side effects on your system, right? So today I'm going to, that's why I told you that I'm going to tell you some natural ways by which you can combat this problem. And also, like I told you in the beginning, we have a product here at Bagdara Farms which is Kamya. Now Kamya has few properties. Like I said, gout is treated with anti inflammatory drugs and with painkillers. So I will be telling you how Kamya helps with that, right? Now, how can you prevent gout? Prevention is always better than cure, and you can prevent gout by drinking plenty of water, by exercising regularly. Extra weight increases the uric acid levels in your body and puts more stress on your joints. Also, do your best to limit the foods and drinks which have purine in it. Like I said in the beginning, the breakdown happens as during this purines. If there is high levels of purines in the system, then also the problems of gout gets aggravated, can also start happening in people who've never experienced it. So start avoiding foods and drinks that may have high purine levels in them, since these chemicals can trigger uric acid buildup in the system. Now, foods and drinks that contain high purine levels are alcohol, red meat, organ meats, shellfish, then drinks and foods high in fructose, that is fruit sugar, which is there, protein from animal sources. Certain medications can also lead to elevated uric acid in your system, and these medications usually are known as diuretics. Diuretics are also known as water pills. So these kind of medications can also increase the uric acid levels in your system. Now, like I said, how Kamya can help for gout. Now, let me just pin the name of the product on the screens for you all to see what product I'm talking to you. So, I'm talking to you about the product which is Kamya. Now, like I said, how is gout treated? Gout is treated with anti-inflammatory drugs and with painkillers, right? Now, Kamya has this component known as curcumin. Now, curcumin has innate anti-inflammatory properties, has innate natural analgesic properties. Natural analgesic means it's a natural painkiller. Along with that, it has antioxidant properties. That means it protects the cells from free radicals. It has anti-arthritic properties. Now, gout is also known as gouty arthritis. So, the anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic property of curcumin in Kamya can naturally help you with treating or preventing this problem. It reduces swelling of limbs, it boosts your immunity, improves mobility and function, right? And like I said, when inflammation, that means swelling is lowered in your body is functioning improves manifold. The oxygen supply, the supply of blood in the system improves, and when there will be no inflammation, all organs, all body parts will be able to function to its optimum ability, right? And most importantly, it boosts your immunity. Once your immunity is boosted, your immunity is strengthened, you have a strong core. What happens, you will be able to fight a particular problem better. Your body will have the strength to maybe take endure the pain which happens due to problems of gout. So most importantly, it's also an immunomodulatory agent. That means it boosts your immunity without causing any side effects on your system. Now, this is the product which we have, Kamya for gout. You can visit our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com. It is flashing on the screens, the link to our website. You can go on our product section and check for Kamya, right? Kamya can be topically applied as well as orally consumed. Topical application, you can mix it. You can take a little bit of coconut oil or mustard oil, heat it up with a pinch, or according to the area where you have to get it massaged, put little bit of Kamya powder. When this, heat it up nicely and then use this oil to massage on the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it stay there for some time, or you can clean it up with a hot towel or a warm cloth, right? And oral consumption is also, you have to consume it twice in the day, morning, evening. It is a tea that is prepared, right? You can also say it's a kada that is prepared and taken twice in the day, morning, evening. Either you take it empty stomach or you take it 1 to 2 hours after your meals. The procedure for the same is written on the website, the link to which is flashing on your screens. That is www.bagdarafarms.com, right? Our product section, product is Kamya. All details are given there. But still, if you think that you need more information, need one-to-one consultation with us, you can give us a call on a number which is flashing on the screens. That is 9560254646. My name is Namrata. Along with me, there are other consultants available on call, message, and WhatsApp to address your queries, to listen to your problems, and to try to give you the best solution for the same with our organic therapy here at Bagdara Farms. We vouch for our therapy and we know that it is effective. but it is very important for you to give it time. Try taking it for a minimum period of 40 days to 2 months, because natural therapies take around that much time for it to show results on the body, for it to get effective on your system, right? It needs to reach a threshold from where it gets activated in your system. So try giving it 4 to 8 weeks times. 2 months is the best time you can give to a product if you have a problem that has been bothering you for a long time. Now somebody you also need to understand that age and every body type is different, so you can give that much of time to the product to see what happens. For a very long period we keep depend you know we get dependent on other therapies or treatments, which might be showing relief, temporary relief, but once the medication is over, the symptoms and problems come back, right? But with our supplements here at Bagdara Farms, it doesn't happen like that. It helps in eradicating or eliminating the root cause of problems in your system, right? So once the root cause of problem will be eliminated, that is inflammation. Most problems are caused due to inflammation in the system. Once that is eliminated, automatically the body will be able to function properly and fight back any kind of inflammation or infection that is triggering any causes or symptoms in your system. So do visit our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com, or give us a call on our number, which is 9560254646. You can also get more details about us. We are on various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn as Bagdara Farms. You can write to us on any of these platforms with any queries you have. If you want to talk to us, you can drop in your numbers, email IDs, and however you want us to contact you, we can, we can work out and we can help you like that, right? With that, I come to the end of this live session. If you have anything to talk about, you can contact us on our numbers, or you can write to our website. On our website, we have all details. Please do visit the website. You will get detailed information about Bagdara Farms, about the products. There is scientific evidence section which is there. Also, we have certifications to have transparency with our customers. Certifications are to show that we are certified by USA FDA, FSSAI. We have lab reports that show that the curcumin percentage in our products is between 11 to 19%, right? You can get all these details on our website. We will be looking forward to hearing from you, just in case we can be of any help to you. With that, I come to this end of the live session on gout or gouty arthritis. I hope I was able to put forward my point and explain to you how natural therapy can help with prevention and treatment of this problem without causing any side effects on your system. That's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Do share the video with people who can benefit from it, or who are having problems of gout and are not getting relief from their ongoing treatments. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the week ahead. I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.